matter, energy, space, and time. The four simple elements of the material world combine and recombine into sidewalks, ice cream sodas, mountain ranges, and galaxies. Yet none of that movement would mean much without the fifth ingredient we call life. Life is a distinctive kind of energy. It notices, gathers, and arranges matter and motion with a purpose ordinary forces cannot explain. A single cell demonstrates the point. Guided by sunlight, minerals, and a few strands of code, it builds membranes, repairs damage, and divides at the right moment. That tiny architect already knows the game. Organize, adapt, persist. At every scale, living systems pursue the same imperative we label survival. They do so by leaning toward experiences that support growth, what we call pleasure, and steering away from signals of danger, what we call pain. To manage that balancing act, complex creatures evolved a mind, a problem-solving process that tracks countless variables at once. The mind perceives threats and opportunities, imagines possible futures, selects what seems the best path, and turns that plan into action. When it succeeds, often the body thrives. When it fails, too frequently, vitality fades. Importantly, the mind is not working for the individual alone. Each person depends on families, communities, and ecosystems that must also endure. Decisions that secure my food today but poison your water tomorrow undercut the wider fabric that keeps us all alive. A well-tuned mind, therefore, searches for choices that benefit self and others together, multiplying rather than dividing the resources of life. Trouble arises when that tuning dulls, through chronic stress, injury, misinformation, or isolation. Perception narrows, goals blur, and the problem solver begins to misread the game. It may hoard, lash out, or drift into apathy, behaviors that spread smaller failures throughout the network. At the extreme, a half-awake mind can become accident-prone or even destructive, hastening not only its own decline, but the decline of those nearby. Fortunately, consciousness is elastic. Rest, learning, honest dialogue, and purposeful work rekindle its range. By caring for the body's basic needs, practicing clear observation, and keeping the circle of concern broader than the self, we restore the mind's ability to chart courses that avoid unnecessary pain and move toward durable, shared well-being. In that clarity, life's organizing energy finds fresh momentum, and the long project of thriving together continues.